This is my go-to powder-based makeup look, and I like to use the MAC Studio Fix powder. She is that girl. When you use powder bases and you have dry skin, or you use products like tretinoin, you have to make sure your skin is moisturized. This is the Ceramide Skin Barrier Moisturizer by COSRX, and I love it because this one is the spray one, but I use this every single night after I use my tretinoin. You want to apply your cream bases next. So I like to go in with my Hourglass concealer, and I'm going to use that to kind of like color correct under my eyes and also to cover up some of my blemishes. Now, I typically use a brush to blend in my concealer, but since I've been using tretinoin, it does dry my skin a little bit. So I have kind of resorted back to a beauty blender. This is the contour stick by Makeup by Mario. And I'm going to put that above my cheekbones, okay? You don't want to put this below. You want to put it right above because you're going to blend that in. I'm going to put some on my forehead. I'm going to put it on my nose. So you want to blend that up into your temple and right above your cheekbone. Now I'm going to go in with my brighter concealer. This is the NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers. I just absolutely love it. You want to let it sit for a little bit and then you blend it in. Now this is all about layering, okay? So I'm going to put my cream blush on top of that, and then I'm going to layer again with my concealer underneath your eye up to your temple. And you can also do a little bit on your eyelid. French Rosette by Haus Labs, and I'm just going to dab that on before I go ahead and apply my powder. Okay guys, it's powder time. The trick to making sure that this does not get dry or look dry once you've done this, first of all, you applied a good moisturizer and then you applied cream bases. You need to use a setting spray in between applying these products. So once you apply your powder, you want to let that kind of melt in with a good setting spray. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. And I love this one. First of all, it smells really good. It definitely melts my makeup. I can already see that glow. Blush is Life by Kosas. And I'm not going to rub that in. I have to dab it in because once again, dry skin. I liked it. It's like electric. I'm going to use a setting powder I have not used in years. This is the HD powder by e.l.f. Let me try something. I just want to see something real quick. And actually, I don't want that to sit there. I dab that in. It's kind of glowy shine. It's not like oily, but it's too shiny for me. And this is the after. Okay, so I put a little bit of concealer above my eyes. Now we're going to do our eyes. I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to do my lashes. This is the Mineralist Eyebrow Pencil by Bare Minerals, and I'm going to use that to fill in my brows real quick. Urban Decay sent me these gorgeous retractable eyeliners, and I love them. I mean, look at all these fun colors. I'm going to do green. This is a Dirty Martini. Let's get dirty. And it has a little brush at the end where you can like blend it in and stuff. Yes. Fenty Beauty, and this is Traced Out. This is her lip liner. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips before I apply my lashes. I love this lip liner because it's so soft. I don't feel like putting any lipstick on. I'm just going to put that on for now, okay? These are my little wispy eyelashes. I get these from Amazon. Okay, now look at that. Look how seamless that is, y'all. I love these little wispies. They're so good. And they just blend right in and they're so easy. Okay, guys, this is the finished look. What do we think? You're gonna have to excuse my grandbaby in the back. Toodaloo!